Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today we're talking about how to properly clean and sanitize your PPE. This subject comes up on a regular basis of how to accomplish this with our products. So today we're going to go through these steps. To start, I want to discuss that we have our materials that are necessary. The 91% isopropyl alcohol, also called rubbing alcohol, that's used for sanitizing, dish detergent, along with soft cotton rags for doing the initial cleaning. I'm wearing rubber gloves in this case because I don't know what is the contamination that's on this product. Could be a chemical, could be a virus, could be bacteria, could be blood. So in this case, this is a AmpShield, which is used for arc flash protection. I'm going to show how to clean all of these parts associated. You could leave the cap bracket on the helmet, or you could remove it. To remove the face shield from the cap bracket, reach to the interior, pull back on the lever lock, and then disengage from the two ends. This product has a permanent anti-fog coating on the interior and an abrasion-resistant coating to the exterior. Both of these coatings and the raw materials of the arc shields have been tested for cleaning both with the isopropyl alcohol and with the dish detergent and water. We've tested these materials for cleaning 100 cycles. 100 cycles would be about the lifetime of the product, considering if you were cleaning on a regular basis. This shield and the chin protector are permanently assembled and cannot be disassembled. Rinse the product with just running water. Add dish detergent to your cleaning rag and gently wash the product. Wash the chin protector inside and out. Now rinse the product again with the running water. Pat dry. Notice I say pat dry because if there was some grit or something that was left on here and you were to scrub it dry, you could scratch the shield. Now, you also notice I'm not using paper towels because paper towels are a little bit on the abrasive side for most face shields. So it's better to use a soft cotton rag. The cap bracket is the same treatment, where you rinse it, wash it with the detergent. All these components are built and designed to be able to be washed. Rinse it again. Pat dry. Now we come to the sanitizing step. The washing step got rid of all of the big stuff, and we've generally cleaned the product, but the sanitizing step is very important. This is where we use the 91% isopropyl alcohol. We take our soft cotton rag, we apply a generous amount of isopropyl alcohol, and then we wipe the product, but we don't remove the alcohol. We let that stay on, and naturally it will evaporate and dry. Isopropyl alcohol is flammable. We have to keep this in mind. So don't have open flame anywhere near where you're doing this work. You notice that I did not dry this material. I'm just letting it naturally air dry. This also gives time for the isopropyl alcohol to do its sanitizing work. In conclusion, keeping your PPE in good condition, washed, cleaned, not only is it good for general health conditions, but the product will last much longer in the field. Thank you very much.